He reads like cinnamon and clove wine, aura, heady, spiced brown, energy spilling over the brim, wrapping everyone in roots and vines. There is no way to be untouched by him. Warm breezes in the sun, moist soil, jagged rocks on a steep slope is the arc of his brow at a distance, staring at you with the pristine clarity of his acute mind. Smoke unfurling from lavender burning as prayers transmute the ether. Chirping birds decode the mysteries of the universe in a language you have yet to understand. Crickets, tall grass waving, he gives you a look that says he knows every possible future, but is delighted in the present just to kneel near the sound of flowing water and wet stones made smooth by the steady passage of time. Trees scattered across the hillside, having sprouted from seeds in their sneaky, invisible movements, and I wonder how, in the multi-dimensional charisma of his underrated silence, he has come to grow on me too, like the cloudless expanse of the blue sky, hugging the contours of day at sunrise. I am awakened by his vast light. Dragonflies hovering near a straw mat curled against the temple wall. Giant butterflies come out to play and everything seems circular. A gentle return to source, ecstasy without end, slowly sipping this velvet darkness, woody, rich, licks of a flame on the tip of my tongue, curled in savoring his flavor. Mouth wateringly drips near trunks, branches, and glistening leaves. Light fluttering as my glance perceives shape-shifting deities in morphing shades of green and drops of water formed above my upper lip in this humid heat. Blood pulsing, veins bulging, breath deepening as the power in his peace permeates each waking moment with the healing of his proximity, though near is never quite close enough. I want to be so deep in the sweet that I can't tell the honey from the bees, sugar crystals twinkling on the surface of my skin, drown my buzzing in your sting. Brightly colored petals brush against my fingertips, similar to what a woman should feel like, sinking beneath the weight of a heavy embrace. I can trace our familiar feeling origin through a series of spirit animals, elements, and seemingly mythical beings. We are ancients, remembering ourselves through the story of one another. A god with amnesia turned lover. Flashbacks of a time before time, a place before space, triggered by the smile curving across your languid face. Sing to me, call me home, remind me that before everyone, we were all alone. A wish draped in a promise, no flesh and no bone.